1 sachet of tea juice, 100 milliliter water, and ice. Toast a glass, a spoon. Step 1, prepare a glass, a spoon, 1 sachet of tea juice, and 200 milliliter water. Step 2, open the tea juice and pour in the glass. Step 3, pour 200 milliliter water into the glass. Or stir the mixture with a spoon until the powder dissolves completely. Step 5, then add ice, sugars to make it fresher. The juice is ready to share. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy making and drinking the juice. Have a good day.